we're going to learn how to tie a bowline with a Yosemite finish. Now, the important distinction here is that our bowline tying hasn't changed, but what we are adding to the bowline is another way of strengthening the knot. So if we if we tie our bowline like so, we're gonna need, on this part here, we're gonna need a little bit of extra line. So make sure you add that into your knot tying, like so. There's our bowline. I'm gonna softly set that so we don't lose it. And what I'm gonna do to create the Yosemite finish is this portion of the line is going to cross under this end, and then we're gonna follow this strand of the knot. So we're gonna come across, we're gonna tuck under, and then we're going to poke this through like that, so that we're on the left side of this strand. And then we're going to set everything, making sure that each of these are tight. And what the Yosemite finish allows us is a wider bend radius, making this a stronger knot, but it also offers us a little bit more securement because we've added another another section of line. And that is how you tie a bowline with a Yosemite finish.